So this video to see how the IS working with the 2x teleconverter and the hack on the 2 last pins, and then you get the full autofocus zone. So now it's detected the bird and it's shooting at you can see trying to eat that dragonfly. Hi, morning everyone, Richard here. I'm currently out here using the RF 100 to 400 mm with the R8. I just want to show you a simple hack. When you use the 2x teleconverter with the RF lenses, it will show you the screen, the autofocus will be in a box, right? So I will show you how to hack it and then make the autofocus full size instead of just in the center box. Okay, as you can see now, if you don't have the teleconverter, it will be in full autofocus. It won't be in a box. So example, I can set it will be in box like that if you put in the 2 times. So I'll show you how it looks like. Actually, hopefully I can see the viewfinder. Okay, yeah. You see, in the viewfinder you can see it will be in a box if you use it in with the 2x, right? So let me show you how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like if you use this with the 2x teleconverter. There will be a box. You can see a box in the center there, and it will lock it in. So this 2x will lock in, and you can see there's a bounding box, right, if you're using a 2x. So the idea is to hack this and not having that bounding box. Okay, you can see now I put back the 2x DC with the hack, and there's no bounding box. You can see no more boxes there. So you can use this as a full autofocus zone without any box. So there's no bounding box there with the 2x DC, you can see. So that's the thing you want to do. Let's show you how it looks like. That's the box, and these are all full zone, right? So you don't have to have the box anymore. So how do you do that? Very simple hack. You just need to put a tape on these 2 pins here at the edge. That will trigger this DC to recognize as a 2x DC or EF DC instead of RF DC. So it will detect it as a EF lens 100 to 400 mm and give you the full zone. I'm not sure why Canon crippled this function. Maybe they don't want people to use this and buy the more expensive lens, but this is how I'm using it. I've been using it for a while now and getting great results with this teleconverter on the 100 to 400 mm. You know, the most bummer thing about the R8 is the battery life, and if you use the 2x teleconverter, it will drain up even more battery because you know you're going through too many components, so it does need to use up the battery. So that's the only drawback with the battery life. Hopefully you'll get more shots. Just now I got the bee eater. Hopefully it flies again, it's somewhere around there, and if it flies I can get some shots. So as you know, when you're out photography and then the sun decides to spoil the clouds decide to spoil my party, not the sun. So there goes the f16 when the clouds is blocking the sunlight. So it brings up the ISO, but no problem with the R8, right? So R8 is able to handle high ISO. So okay guys, I hope you like the photos from this 2x DC with the pin hack, and then you get the full autofocus zone with the RF 100 to 400 mm, or with any RF lens you can get the full zone if it has a bounding box. Normally it's only on the telephoto they bound the box, so I think it's done for better autofocus accuracy. But then again, if you use the EF lens, it doesn't have this box, so sometimes I don't know what the Canon's doing. So anyway, if you want to use the full AF zone, just tape up the 2 last pins. So I hope Canon don't release a firmware to change this, and let us have our fun. So I'll see you, have a nice day, and do subscribe for my next video. Bye.